May iba ni mustid na.
Medyo mamagul ka sa Monday. Hindi na tayo. Putok na tanig-tanig
Today is our last day here. March 3? It's March 3. Huh? March 3. There are still lots of golfers playing out there, far. At saka yung iba nasa Del Monte. And they are going to have their awarding tomorrow kung sinong ang nanalo. So for now, wala pang tao masyado. Hindi na kami babalik tomorrow, but tomorrow mayroon pang last game yata, pero hindi na kami babalik. Today na lang, hanggang today na lang. So again, I'll take a video mamaya pag dami ng tao. It's fun here. Tapos sabi nila ang game na to is for prestige. Charot, no? Naman mamayayaman lang ang nag-ano nito. Hindi naman sila mga madamo. Dito mga they're good people. Mga rich people are good people. Yung real rich talaga, no? Hindi sila, mga friendly sila. And this is international. We found someone here, Kapon. We met someone pala. Korean, Japanese, Americans. Sino pa yung ibang marami. Mga Bisaya, marami din. From Cotabato, from Jensen, from Davao, from Luzon. Marami. Sino pa yung mga foreigners? I cannot identify them kung anong places sila. Basta madami sila. And they're enjoying this game, though it's so expensive. So thank you very much guys for watching. At least na-share ko lang sa inyo yung activity kaya hindi ako masyado kadot-dot dun sa mga video, mga live ninyo ni Sisinilo, si Nisel Polvos, shout out, si Angging Fe, shout out, pasensya na kayo, busy lang. I'll see you again later. Kani salad sandwich. Crab meat. So good. Sarap. Crispy.